I was just reading this book. Well, I didn't read it, actually. I never read anything, but somebody told me about it, said it was terrible. All about the future of the planet and global warming, the destruction of nature, and all that crap. Like, who cares?
This book is a hoax, fake. Save nature. What's nature ever done for me? Save profit first. Total scam. Listen, do not read The Girl Who Rode the Unicorn. Terrible book. Total disaster.
Hoax. Fake. Fake news. A bunch of crap. Don't read this. Hoax. Hoax. Hoax.